Well, everyone, Dave cooked a Franco painting and wallpaper, day 2 of prepping, and young Britain is taping off windows, just told me he's freaking leaving, going to North Carolina. Big jerk, but he'll be good down there. His family's down there, so he's gonna have a great time. We're gonna miss him. So we got him for 2 more weeks. So if you guys want the big Brit coming to your house, you got 2 weeks. And then he is gone. This could be his solo, your farewell tour.
Yeah.
So they did a good job yesterday prepping on the floors. So all the floors are covered. It's all hardwood underneath here. They started on windows, so they're masking around with frog tape, and they'll come around with paper because all it's getting sprayed. Covering lights, pulling lights where they can. There was one piece of wallpaper up there that's got to come down, and then even caulking. That's all pretty much they've been doing yesterday, is masking and caulking. So all the trim where it's got caulking and cracks, filling. Gary yesterday was pulling wallpaper, so he's in there pulling wallpaper now. Anthony's caulking. Had one spot you can see where there's some mold on that end, so we'll get that cleaned up. It's just surface stuff, but we'll get that going. Well, so lights are getting pulled because a couple of them being replaced. Drywall repairs. Biggest issue was drywall repairs in here. The seams and cracks. Matt's working on those now. So every place where it had the tray ceilings all around the edges, most of the seams are getting kind of funky. So he's just filling that in with some drywall. They cut all the big holes out yesterday. Now it's all surface stuff where there's a couple nail pops here and there. Second coat of mud to get on everything. And then lights getting covered. Blinds will get covered because those stay and they're plastic. And the windows just got replaced, so we have to worry about painting the windows in here. So overall, they're plugging away. It's nice. Carpet's getting replaced, and we have to worry about keeping it. It gets cut out 2 weeks. So we can paint away, and they're throwing it away, so that'll be nice. So there's our prep work. In Regency Clubhouse here in Barrington. Oh, all these walls will get wallpaper, so that'll be fun. Everything else gets painted. If you've got questions on painting, how we can help you with remodels like this in your home or business, let's just see how we can help you. Help you love the space you're in. You guys have a great day, and God bless.